Empecemos. ¿Qué harás mañana? In this Spanish lesson, I'll teach you the easiest Spanish verb tense, master the Spanish future tense now, and by the end, you will be able to use all the regular forms and the 11 key irregular verbs that confuse most Spanish learners. Unlike other Spanish tenses, you don't need to worry about those AR, ER, and IR verb groups. All verbs follow the same pattern, and you will simply add the ending directly to the infinitive, which is great. If you are learning Spanish, this is one tense that you will definitely want to master. Let's break it down step by step. To form the Spanish future simple tense, you take the infinitive form of the verb and add these specific endings: e, as, a, emos, eis, and. Let's see the Spanish future tense in action with the verb estudiar, to study. And remember, in Spanish the personal pronoun is not necessary, as the endings tell us who is doing the action. I will study. Estudiaré. You will study. Estudiarás. He, she, you formal will study. Estudiará. We will study. Estudiaremos. You all will study. Estudiaréis. They, you all will study. Estudiarán. Now let's try the Spanish future tense with comer, to eat. I will eat. Comeré. You will eat. Comerás. He, she, you formal will eat. Comerá. We will eat. Comeremos. You all will eat. Comeréis. They, you plural formal, will eat. Comerán. And the last one with vivir, to live. I will live. Viviré. You will live. Vivirás. He, she, you formal singular will live. Vivirá. We will live. Viviremos. You all will live. Viviréis. They, you plural formal will live. Vivirán. The Spanish future simple tense is used to express actions that will happen in the future. Tomorrow, I will go to the cinema. Mañana, iré al cine. Probability or speculation about the present. Where is Juan? He is probably at home. ¿Dónde está Juan? Estará en su casa. Making promises or predictions. I will call you tonight. Te llamaré esta noche. Now you might be thinking, but I already know how to say I'm going to do something using ir plus a plus infinitive. That is the near future or immediate future tense. Voy a estudiar means I am going to study, and it's perfect for actions happening soon. Future simple, infinitive plus endings. Estudiaré, I will study. Both are essential for fluent Spanish. Now for the special perk I promised you. Here are the 11 most common irregular Spanish future tense verbs to memorize. The good news, they still use the same endings, but the stems change a bit. And a pro tip for mastering the Spanish future tense. Many of these irregular stems end with dr, which can help you remember them. Just add your endings and you are good to go. Decir, to say. Hacer, to do, to make. Poder, to be able to. Poner, to put. Querer, to want. Saber, to know. Salir, to go out. Tener, to have. Venir, to come. Haber, to have. Valer, to be worth. I will say, diré. I will do, haré. I will be able to. Podré. I will put. Pondré. I will want. Querré. I will know. Sabré. I will go out. Saldré. I will have. Tendré. I will come. Vendré. There will be. Habrá. It will be worth it. Valdrá. Remember, for regular verbs, infinitive plus endings with accents. Except for we. For those especially regular verbs, just memorize their unique stems, then add the same endings. Ready for a challenge? Put your Spanish future tense skills to the test by leaving a comment below with one thing that you will do tomorrow using the future tense. And if you'd like me to create a dedicated video comparing the near future, ir a plus infinitive, with the simple future we've learned today, let me know in the comments. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to never miss another Spanish lesson with me. Buen trabajo. Hasta la próxima clase.